god.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, here. Here. Mmm. Mum. Come. Mum. He's licking the fingers. Yes. Oh my
Ooh.
god, wait. I have to clean you, wait. Oh my goodness.
It's an experience, eating.
It is a big experience. Okay, let's go. Come. Look, baby, he ate it, look.
Mm-hmm.
Come. And it's not warm anymore. I mean, it got cold all this time. How can he eat it cold? No problem. Oh no, don't push this away. We'll mess up your clothes. No. We got tired. They messed up. Oui. He says, this is the food. I need my milk. He takes it. My God, he's eating it normally. I really am so impressed. I have no words. I didn't expect this thing. I thought we would play a little bit
Hi, Snaplov.
today.
We are filming you.
Look, he ate everything. I'm so excited. Come on, love. Last one. Okay. There, one more. Mom. He finished it. Well done. We cleaned everything. Let me clean you. Here. Okay. Let's go to drink our milk now. Well done, Pepe. Come.
Pepe.
He says, where's my milk? Okay. Come. Opala.
Very impatient.
Milk now, of course. He needs to eat more. That's not the food.